Are you looking for a fully renovated semi-detached house within a gated guarded community at Shah Alam? Welcome to this beautiful house at Section U12 Shah Alam. This property is located in between Section 7 and Ardence. Let's check out this beautiful semi-detached house. This house has a land area of 40 by 80 with a build-up of 3,000 square feet. It consists of 5 rooms and 3 bathrooms. As you can see, the owner has spent almost 400,000 on the interior design and is still in superb condition. This property has been extended all the way to the front and to the back, creating a spacious environment for a family gathering. Isn't this house wonderful? This house is so well maintained and is in the move-in condition. Give me a call and I can't wait to show you this beautiful house.